In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Calendly browser extension quickly and easily. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool that helps streamline meeting scheduling processes without the constant back-and-forth emails. Adding its extension to your browser can make the experience even more seamless. By the end of this guide, you'll have the Calendly extension set up and ready to use, enhancing your productivity and making your scheduling a breeze. To get started, you'll want to first head over to your preferred search engine, maybe Google, and search for the Calendly extension. This will direct you to a page listing several results. And you should look for the link that leads you to the Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store is the place where you can safely find and add extensions to your Chrome browser. Clicking on the appropriate link should take you directly to Calendly's extension page. Once you're on the extension page within the Chrome Web Store, you'll see several pieces of information about the extension, including user reviews and ratings, which can be helpful if you're curious about how others have found it useful. However, your primary focus is on a prominent blue button labeled Add to Chrome. It's located at the top right of the page. Clicking this button will initiate the installation process for the Calendly extension. After you click Add to Chrome, a small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you wish to add the extension. This pop-up is a standard part of the process, designed to give you one last chance to verify that you indeed want to proceed with installing this tool. Simply click the Add Extension button in this pop-up to continue the installation. Now let's move on to the final step. Once the installation completes, which only takes a few moments, the Calendly extension will be added to your browser. But before you can start using it, you may need to enable it. In most cases, Chrome will automatically prompt you to do this by opening a new tab or providing a notification. If not, you can manually ensure the extension is active by clicking on the little puzzle piece icon near the top right of your browser window. This icon opens your extension menu, where you should see Calendly listed. Make sure the switch next to it is toggled to On. And just like that, you have installed the Calendly extension. You can now manage your scheduling directly from your browser with ease. With your new extension active, you'll be able to more efficiently handle meeting requests and bookings whenever you're online. Enjoy the enhanced scheduling capabilities, and if you need further guidance or have questions,